Besides for education, sport develops a child and youth in a way nothing else can. ATV's Time Out is celebrating its 10-year anniversary. We have host Claudette Lopez on the other side of the microphone to talk about his program, the athletes on the island, as well as the overall development of sport in Aruba.
Televidente bambinina, oltre di Time Out. Ahora Time Out los bambini del mondo di football.
Time Out has been broadcasting on ATV for 10 years. Many aspects attribute to the success of the long-running show, but there is one specific thing Claudette prides himself on.
The greatest thing, many people tells me this, I'm persistent. Otherwise I would have never been 10 years on with this program.
Time Out shines the spotlight on local athletes. It also introduces the community to new up-and-coming sports on the island. But more importantly, one of the hosts' objective is to tackle a more serious issue regarding sports. According to Mr. Lopez, UNESCO has set a standard for every country to contribute 3% of the nation's GDP towards sports. Aruba is yet to be there. Currently, the government budgets 3.5 million florins annually to sports on the island, which from his expertise is not enough.
We are not there yet. I'm going to tell you the truth, because sports is very expensive.
For Aruba to grow in sports, more subsidy is required from the government. Claudette explains the beauty of the program.
Time Out inspires everybody from the smallest one to the biggest one on the island, because I know I'm talking to many people here that follow Time Out. They know what's going on in sports on the island. We don't have one particular sport. We do all sports. Our doors are always open. We have never closed the door for one sport on the island. If they want to come tomorrow, call me. I'll be there. New sports coming up, they can come with me. I'll be open for them.
So it's total sport coverage.
Total sports coverage.
To celebrate the 10-year milestone, Time Out will be honoring athletes who have truly made an impact on the island.
We are having 12 or 13 per people. We are going to give them a special award, special 10th year award. The first year I give different awards in our Time Out program. This year we are going to go through 10 years and which were the big ones that specially did something for Aruba. And the names you will know, everybody will know the names, but I will put the accent where, why we are giving them this award.
So be pending for Time Out's 10-year celebration with prominent figures within the sports world on the island. The program airs at 6:30 p.m. on weeknights, and you can catch new episodes of 15 on 15 at 7:15 p.m. on weeknights.